In this tutorial, you will learn how to start a discussion board on Catalyst. One of the many benefits of belonging to one or more groups on Catalyst is being able to interact with your professional learning network anytime from anywhere. One of the best ways to interact is using the discussion board function. On Catalyst, any member of a group can start and participate in a discussion. Once you're logged into Catalyst, click on the name of one of your groups to be redirected to the group homepage. The groups you belong to can be found under My Groups in the center of your Catalyst dashboard. Once you are in the group, scroll down to find the section called Our Discussions. Click the New Discussion button to start a new discussion in your group. Discussion posts should include a title and a body, and can also include links and multimedia materials to provide additional information and context to fuel the discussion. Only group administrators can enable or disable the discussion board function. If you do not see the option to start a discussion post in your group, contact your group administrator.